Mecha wo edi aba eye Kings Channel 5GH eso abusuafo enye easy kra enye easy masa wei eye Accra High Court na enchese utum se Mamprusi mabunu omo ekopie mu ewo honomo na chese on the 26th of January 2026 na chese court etna se eye Naa Abagre eye chese uwrema omo ebetimi aka na asem unum se ade armed force omo ekutimi ekwoche eye ohini eno enen Mamprusi fo mabunu se dabi ewo se periperi yo eye adwuma ewo oman Ghana mu ha sei na ohwe eye boko ahinie na omo hwe abakosemu a eye Mamprusi fo ene wo se omo etimi edi eye hene ewo eye boko hono na sesi ya na je se sojafo akwachi eye Naa Abagre no ewo se omo release no na enra ena enchese court etimi etena asem no so a na otimi se ewo high court hono mabunu no etimi ekopie mu ewo hono ma na enchese otimi se even painful enso etimi ekoya otimi se yes omo nyina no protest se omo release omo hene na bibia no enso atumi atadin afensu so no omo hwese justice enso ebetimi ye adwuma ewo sa asem yi eho yeguso ayedi ekire de bia yede eye sa ensem yi de ekoso update ni ya no etumi edebronti so ye niwa bomodi ase obe subscribe to eye Kings Channel 5GH na afi no what turning on the notification bell. Feel free now so kire wadwen ewo eye comment section like video no na bibia no enso entumi enkonkan ti enra ayade a court etumi ekotena so na unim se ayade a lawyer edema lawyer edema eye Naa Abagre etimi abrom kwache Naa Abagre no omo etimi ede court se kwan mo fa so ekwache Naa Abagre no ayade a eni emra kwan so enti omo hwe na se omo release ohini enfama eye Mamprusi fo no no ena enchese court no etuhye eye enra eye 26th eye January 2026 no omo kwaye no sansema na enchese womo etumi edekwadan court no ejituma na nke wo se omo release Naa Abagre nemam no ade a aban no esan ede mekira aban na yese omo a omo kwache Naa Abagre no ze no ozo mu defend omo ho aha ne ade enti omo sign the case foforo eso etimi ekoya na no criminal case a enu ntino still na no omo detain Naa Abagre na lawyer edema na nchese Naa Abagre enso etimi share Mamprusi mabunu no ene omu edi nkomo akire omo se bebi a ohene no eda no enye se bia woda police custody anase bia enai before so bebi omo wo no eho no ase kwan faso hwe omo na wosoro echen se bia woda prison anase bia cells ne ade a enti omo nkoma kuma ento omo yem no lawyer na de senka okohwe Naa Abagre no bebi wo no enya enkono beba be yehu dede pa enti no omo nya abotere no ogidie se bibia no enso ebetimi akonkan.
Then why they arrested Chief. So today that's why we came. Now they brought their explanations, but you also know that last week was it Tuesday or so, we came here right because they had filed another, or let's say they had filed a case against Chief. So now there are two cases. We filed to the court that his arrest and detention is unlawful. Then when they saw that we're winning, they brought midnight charges. Last week, I was even surprised. I was given just 43 minutes to come to this court, right? When we came, they had filed a criminal case against Chief. Of course, the charges are not strong, but that's a different matter. So today we came to see whether we can get him out based on the earlier case we filed. But as I've explained, because of the criminal case, the court had to prevail upon us that, look, we should be practical. Looking at the criminal case, it's not good to continue to say we want Chief released. So eventually, we agreed So we've cancelled the case where we are asking for chief to be released. That's what we call in English the habeas corpus application. We've cancelled the habeas corpus application. So now we are left with the criminal case. And last week, when we applied for bail, the court didn't grant bail. But be patient. Be patient. We are coming back to court on the 2nd of February. You know, such cases, I'm sure you all would see that generally it's because of the security of the situation. It's because of the state, okay, of affairs. Because there is fear. We don't believe so. Chief has always been in Boku. We don't believe that if he returns, it will lead to any chaos. But that is what the state thinks. So you be patient, let a bit of time pass, and then eventually we'll get him out, okay? Yes, so patience. The watchword is patience. He's not going to stay there forever. No. He's not going to stay there forever. And he's not in a cell like a criminal. No, he's not in a cell like a criminal. Okay, the treatment is different. If he was in a cell, well, you know me, I'd have made a lot more noise. But when I visited him, they didn't put him in a cell. So it's not in police cells. It's not in BNI cells. It's a different situation. That's what we call safe house. So it's a full house. And the conditions are not the best, but at least it's far better than when you put somebody in a cell. And we are negotiating with the state to make his conditions better. Okay? But trust me, he's not in a cell. No, nobody will put your chief in a cell. Okay? So let's see.
All right, next month, I'm be sign kwa kopiem e court na fe ya hwese de asem no ebesi akọ. Me de obesi anama da wase se ojebre ehwe adwumadie no. Nyame adme be hia e we next video.